Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex, the Major. Yeah, you can see this was our entry on B500, and SL is above this level. Why did I place my SL there? You all should know that this is a structure. This is our resistance level, and it's our key resistance zone on our chart. Okay, sorry, let me make use of something else. Okay, so you all know, you should know that this is our key level on this chart, because if you switch to 4 hours chart time frame, this is 4 hours time frame, you can see this is a key level because we haven't pressed reversing around that zone for a very long time, for several times. You can see here that's reverse here, and if you keep going back, you can see the reversal here. So this is a key zone on our chart, and this is a weekly resistance. Okay, it's a weekly resistance, not just a resistance, it's a confluence. Okay, because we have both horizontal line and the trend line at the same level, the same spots, right? So if you check on even on the more higher time frame, the daily is still the same thing. So that makes it a key zone, and this is a downtrend. It's a downtrend. You can see price has been going up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's about to create another low. So that's why I'm targeting to take my profits around this level, though my overall targets will be down to this point where we have these two horizontal line here. This is our key support zone on this chart. But then we just want to get, since I'm a day trader, I just want to be sure that before the end of the day, we smash our TP at this very level here and close with good profits. So we have two TPs, we have TP1 and TP2. So yeah, we're running profits. You can see here we are at with two lot size each, we are at $14 each, and that's about $30, though it was running good profits like $30, and but it just spiked like a few minutes ago. It spikes when trading going against the spike, right? So yeah, I'm coming, guys. Yeah, so like you see, price tried to break this zone, this resistance level here, this supply here several times. We could not break this level because it's a very key zone on our chart, and that will be my first confirmation. The second confirmation is because it's a downtrend. Okay, and the third confirmation is we have both horizontal line here and trend line here. That is 4 3. And on the lower time frame, on the 1 minute time frame, you can see price dropping. You can see the first rejection here. You see the rejection here at this point. Then immediately I saw the rejection on the daily, on the 1 hour time frame, I moved to my 30 minutes time frame, and we still have the same thing. I started seeing the rejection around this level, which shows that there is a bearish pressure around this level. Okay, so I completely forgot. I would have opened a position around this level here, but I did not. Sorry. Yeah, I would have opened a position around this level, but I forgot why I was doing something else. So I came back to see price around this level. That's why I sold at this point. Okay, so you can see we are running good profits, and it's running to this point here, which is our TP1 and our TP2. And if I take you to my Telegram channel, so this is my Telegram channel. You can see the signal I drop, sell P1000. And note, before I drop a signal, I must let you guys know, attention, stay close, for you guys to get ready, prepare for the signal, right? So it will not look like I just drop a signal and I didn't inform you guys. So we are running good profit now. Guys. So this is how it's done. A lot of people think things we are really good to be real, but trust me, this is something I've been practicing this thing for so many years, for like 6 years now, and I think I'm good. I don't just think I'm good. Trust me, guys, I'm good at it. So this is the strategy I've been using. If I'm not using my indicator strategies, this is the strategies I've been using. Okay, so if you're new on our channel, kindly smash that like button, subscribe, drop some good comments, and join the free Telegram channel for our free classes that is coming up, and also our robots. If you want auto trading robots for those that doesn't know how to trade, okay, or maybe you're working, you don't know how to trade, or you're working and you need something that will be trading for you even when you know how to trade, and maybe while you're sleeping you need something that will be printing the money for you while you're sleeping. We have a robot here. It's over 90% accurate, over 90 to 95% accuracy. So if you just chat me up, check the description area for my link on my WhatsApp line. You can chat me up directly. Let me show you how it's done, how to install the app, the software, and it will start trading for you, make good profit for you. Okay, we had another spike there back to $2, but trust me, it's gonna give us good money. So I'm not afraid of that, because you can see my confirmation. It's a strong downtrend, and price gonna drop to our TP1 here and TP2 down here. Okay, so we have nothing to be afraid of. Even if it goes back to this point, it will create a double top and start dropping all the way down again. Okay, so like I said, our report kills the market. Trust me, it trades especially on the P1000 and all those boom assets. Even the VIX plays properly, gives you good profit. You don't have to stress yourself. If you don't know how to trade, you don't need to stress yourself. Start learning how to trade. Just chat me up. Let's deal. Our robot is amazing. You will love using our robot to make good money. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, that's it. I didn't want this video to be very long. Okay, make sure you join our free Telegram channel for more updates and free classes that is coming your way. Yeah, so you can see we have something like a triple top here. We have the first one, we have the second one, this is the third one. Okay, so it's going to come down to this point and probably break this level back to that level I told you guys price will be dropping down to. Okay, so I'm not afraid of this spike that is coming here, because that's what you get whenever you're trading against the spikes. Whatever you're trading against the spikes, it spikes like that. So that's what it is. That's what you get when you're going. So you just need to be patient and wait for markets to push to our targets, our TP, the first TP, the second TP, and I've closed some positions. I've just closed like 2 positions already. So even if it goes back to this point, I'm not afraid, because we've made profits already, over $30 profits already on this very trade, and it will be dropping back to this point. So I'm not afraid, guys. It's a swing trade to me, because my second TP, I might want to leave my second TP to go all the way down to this point, all the way down to this point here that I showed you guys, back to this point, because this is where I'm seeing markets going down to. Okay, so if it breaks our TP2, which is here, right, I'm likely to hold it back to this level here. Okay, because we know the market, we see the market direction, what market has been doing over time. We know what is happening and what's going to happen again in the markets. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. Make sure that you don't forget to join the free Telegram channel, like, share, and comment on this video for more people to see this video and learn. Always remember to use good confirmation, candlesticks confirmation, to confirm your trade. Okay, to know the market direction, where the market is actually going, what is happening in the market. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. People, if you're on my academy, you should know this. My academy, they know those candlesticks, they know the chart patterns, they know kill resistance and support zone, they know the difference between supply and demand. So if you want to know all this stuff, trust me, you need to join the academy. And I'll show you exactly what you need to know. Okay, so that'll be all for now. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.